Good evening, guys. Today we are going to study the chemistry class 7 and it is matter and its composition. Then we will go one by one. First, what is the matter? What is matter? Definition of matter is matter is anything that has mass that has mass. I am writing bigger mass. Second, occupy space. Just remember the key point: occupy space and perceived by our sense. Means you can realize also. It is not that visible. It can be realized. So for definition of matter, you have to remember three things. One is mass, occupy space. So matter is anything that has mass, occupy space and perceived by our sense. So definition of matter, I think just remember all these key points. So you can easily write whenever it is asked. Okay. So let's come to mass. What is mass? What is mass? Let's come to mass. This is quantity of matter. Definition is mass, quantity of matter. Quantity of matter which occupy. Suppose what we study first: matter is mass, occupy space and perceived by our sense. Three things. Then come to mass. This is the quantity of matter. Suppose if you take a iron piece, suppose this is a iron piece, the inside these are the quantity which becomes mass of this iron piece. Then comes to force. We will force, suppose something, suppose you just threw a stone upside, then it comes down towards earth. This is earth. Suppose it comes down to earth. If you just threw a stone upward, then it comes down. Why it is comes down? Because earth pulls all the body towards it, so it comes down. So it is a force. We will describe this force, how it is applied here. That's why I told you force. This is force. And in second chapter, motion, we will study the details relating to force, all these things. Right now you know only the force. What is force? Here the earth attracts everybody, everything. Whatever we throw upward, it comes down. That the comes down, when it comes down, that is called force. Actually earth pulls them. Then come to weight. What is weight? You know all the beam balance, all these things. Suppose balance, when you measure something, suppose you are measuring potato, suppose it is a weight beam balance. Then suppose you are putting some weight here, 5 kg, then you are putting something here, suppose 5 kg things, 5 kg potato, it is 5 kg weight and it is 5 kg potato. How can you know this is 5 kg potato? Because it pulls towards the earth. That's why you have put 5 kg weight and it is pulling down. That's why you are able to know this is the 5 kg. So what is weight? Weight is a force, it is a force earth pull down towards it. Okay, so what is weight? You have studied many places there what is mass, what is force. So this is the main definition. Mass is quantity of matter. Suppose a iron piece, you will find this type of quantity inside the iron piece. This is called mass, and weight is the force by which the iron piece is pulling down by earth is called force, weight. Okay. So weight is a force, hence mass is a quantity. Okay. So we'll right now make a difference between mass and weight. Mass, here you will feel that it is like a similar thing, mass and weight, but it is not similar. It is quantity, one, it is quantity, always write short form, quantity of matter, to remember, because before exam you cannot means study in detail, so always write this type of means short form so that you can easily revise and remember. It is the mass is quantity of matter, here it is the force, it is force. It is force, earth pulls towards it. Okay, so it is quantity, it is force, remember like this. Then 2, matter, then mass remains same, all over. It means if you go to moon, mass will remain same. If you go to Mars, mass will remain same. But force, weight changes place to place. Suppose if you go to moon, weight will be different, and if you go to Mars, weight will be different, but mass remains same all over. So let's third point, there are 3 difference between mass and weight. Then come to mass in moon and earth are equal, but weight in moon is 1/6 of earth, 1/6 of earth. It means suppose something in earth 6 kg will be 1 kg in moon. Just remember this. Whatever suppose weight of something in earth will be suppose suppose one is suppose 10 kg, then in suppose here 10 kg, then in moon it will be 10 kg divided by 6, because 1/6, always remember weight in moon is 1/6 of earth. It is very important, and it will also come always in your calculation in your next section. So always remember this. So there are three difference. One is quantity of matter, it is force, mass. Between mass and weight there are three difference. Quantity of matter, force, it is mass remains same all over, weight changes place to place. Mass in moon and earth are equal, but weight in moon is 1/6 of the earth. Just write it down. These are short form I have written, so you have to write it like a notes and keep it in a memory easily. You can revise in, suppose if I make notes for you, you can revise before exam per subject in 5 to 6 7 minutes. So always write all these notes. Okay, please.